Hi, and welcome to our evaluating expressions, and we're going to use some integer rules with this. Now, first off, an expression. The expression is this right here. This right there is an expression, and we're going to evaluate it. First, we substitute. So, 1, we substitute. And then 2, we simplify. Simplify using PEMDAS. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to do this very problem here, and I'm going to rewrite this. So instead of the x, I'm going to substitute negative 12 in for x, and it looks like this. So we have negative 12, and then minus 6, so I just copied this part right here, but instead of x, I wrote negative 12, and then that's going to be over the value of y. So here, the value of y is negative 4, so negative 4 is going to be placed right here, and that's negative 4. And so negative 12 minus 6, now you have to remember your integer rules. Negative 12 minus 6, that is what, negative 18? And then negative 18 divided by negative 4, and then plus 2. Now negative 18 divided by negative 4. Negative divided by negative is positive, and 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. Plus 2, and 4.5 plus 2 is equal to 6 1/2, or you can make it 6.5. And that's what you got to do with that problem. And I have a follow-up question, or it could be either one. And then I have a follow-up here, such as this. So once again, I'm going to substitute and then simplify. First, I'm going to take the 5 and place that in for x. And I'm going to take the 7, I'm going to place it in for y. So I'm going to do that all in one step here. So it's going to be 7 minus 3 times x, which is 5. So 7 minus 3 times 5 plus 7. It looks like this. 7 minus 3 times 5. I'll put that in parentheses right there. It just shows multiplication. And then plus 7. So we have 7 minus 15 plus 7. And 7 minus 15, that's negative 8. Plus 7, that would be negative 1. And there you go. So there are some evaluating expressions for you. And that's what you got to know. Thanks for watching.